Morning, you too. What's up? Got it nice and warm in here. It's like 64-ish, which is good. I can live with 64. It's beautiful. Um, Welcome to all the new people, and we'll get right to it. So we are going to do this old fire extinguisher. I've never done one. What are you doing, kitty? Come and say hi. This is Tara. But we're gonna do it and see how she turns out. The only thing I don't like is it seems like it's full. So I'm gonna try and read it and make sure it's not like something that's gonna kill me. And then we'll start cleaning it up. All right. Okay, here's my dilemma. The only time I've ever done like brass polishing, I use Neverdoll. But it takes forever. And I am very, very impatient. So I thought maybe these little discs, I got these in different, you sell them on Amazon. I think it's 120, 400, 320, 220, and they work. This is 400. I'm just worried it's gonna put too many scratches in the brass. I think I can take it to the buffer. I think with some buffing compound that's actually made for brass, it should clean this tarnish right up. The tarnish is so thick, it's crazy. This thing is from, I don't even know. Looks old. Alright, what I'm going to do is take it to the buffer. I'll bring you along, and we'll see what happens. Might burn up a buffing wheel. Alright, let's get over there. So this is a fire extinguisher. It says Underwriter Laboratories Inc. Inspected 1 quart hand fire extinguisher. And down here it said carbon tetrachloride, carbon dioxide, bunch of stuff. I couldn't save a lot of the black just because the oxidation was so bad, but I like it like that. It looks antiqued almost. Union Corp. Stop Fire, Brooklyn, New York. So I think it turned out awesome. This is going to go probably in the trike when it gets done. It'll go in the back. You know what I mean? And I will get it filled. I did have to empty it because I didn't know it gets hot when you polish, and I didn't want the pressure to go up and blow up and mess me up. But hope you like it. Got everything polished out. I had to paint this cord because it actually has brass pieces on it, so I couldn't make another one. So I just painted the cord. It turned out really good. Love it. If you could, click down there, subscribe. As always, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.